Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about the picture composition and oral composition, because to improve writing skill, picture composition and oral composition are very much important for the students. If you ask why, I will say that picture composition is a thing that when a student will be given a picture, for example a table, an apple, a mango, or a picture of a bird, or a picture of a vegetable, etc., etc., and he or she will be asked to write something about them, or to say something about them. This is very much important, because if I see you a picture of a mango and I will ask you to say something about this, the student will say that it is a mango, it is green in color, we love mango, mango is our national fruit, etc., etc. So after watching that particular picture, a student will reply according to their own sentences, and it is true, it is fact that one of or two or other students, more than one students, will give different answers. So teacher will get different answers from the students. So this is the magic of the picture conversation or picture composition, that student will give too much answer of their own. They can create themselves, they can create their own answers. For example, if we give a example of a table, picture of a table, the student will ask questions and give answers of them. In a class or in the home, student can or parents can utilize this process, so that so much their child can improve in spoken English, I must say, and their writing skill will definitely be improved. On the other hand, oral composition is something else, that parent and the student conversation will go on. The parent will ask a particular question of a particular topic, so student will give answers of their questions. On the other hand, student can ask some questions, and their parents will give some answers. In this way, student can improve in their conversation part. That means their spoken English will be improved, and they will improve their writing skill. Thank you.